This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bud Kimbrough. View this immaculately presented turnkey second floor unit comprising 10-foot vaulted ceilings, spacious lounge, dining and kitchen areas, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, laundry room and large integral garage, situated at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, with screened lanai overlooking wooded preserve and partial lake views. Close walking distance to Mercato shopping with Whole Foods and a variety of upscale restaurants and shops area via unique private gated access. EGRET'S Walk has a clubhouse with fitness center and 2 pools. Pelican Marsh Community Center has its own large clubhouse, fitness facilities, tennis and other sports together with a restaurant. There are also 2 golf clubs within Pelican Marsh. The property is approximately 2 miles from local beach.